Hey friends, welcome back to Truth Bomb Tuesday, where I give you the kind of health advice that makes you stop and say, wait, really? Today's Truth Bomb is going to sound completely backwards, but I promise it's real. If you've cut your calories to the floor and the scale won't budge, you might not be eating enough to lose weight. I know it goes against everything we were taught in the low-fat, calorie-counting era. We were told the less we eat, the more weight we will lose. And sure, in the very short term, eating less will create a calorie deficit. But your body isn't just a calculator. It's a survival machine. It's actually very, very smart. When you chronically undereat, especially if you've been doing it for weeks or months, your body gets the message. Food is scarce, slow everything down. That's called adaptive thermogenesis. Your metabolism literally adapts to conserve energy. It's actually, sorry, bug. It's actually very smart. So here's what it looks like. Your resting metabolism drops, so you burn fewer calories at rest. Hormones like leptin and thyroid slow down, which makes you hungrier and more tired. You move less without even realizing it, fewer steps, less fidgeting, less energy for workouts. And your body holds on to fat because it thinks you're in a famine. So on keto and carnivore, this can be really sneaky because you're less hungry from eating protein and fat. But if you cut your calories too deep for too long, you can still end up in that same emergency mode. Your body is smart. It will always prioritize survival over weight loss. I've had clients come to me eating under 1,000 calories a day, thinking that they're being disciplined, but they're exhausted, cold, losing hair, and not losing fat. I remember when I got out of college, I did OptiFast. And I remember it worked for a month, and then the calories were so low. For females, they gave you 400 calories a day. I got so hungry, they had to put me on the mends, and I started losing again, which was only 800 calories. It was still bad. But when we increased their protein and healthy fats, their energy came back. They started moving more without even trying, and the fats started to come off because their metabolism was no longer in panic mode anymore. So yes, you still need a calorie deficit to lose fat, but a sustainable deficit means eating enough to keep your metabolism, your hormones, and your energy in a healthy range. For most people, cutting 500 calories from a truly, now here's the key, maintenance level is plenty, not slashing down to only 800 or 1,000 calories a day. 500 off a maintenance level. So here's the truth bomb. If you've been stuck despite eating perfectly, the answer might not be to eat even less. Sometimes you have to fuel your body to lose fat. And I'm reading all your great comments, and I'm hearing that a lot. Like you've been doing a lot of things perfectly for a long time, but you're cutting too much, I think, or you're over exercising because you still have that belly fat. So have you ever stalled because you're eating too little? And if you did increase your calories, what happened next? Drop your experience in the comments because you might inspire someone else who's struggling right now. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.